Hi, what's up mga karonda? This is Kay Paris, ang cyclist ng Pilipinas ng Pagkasan. For today's ride, we will go to the cycling track. And today is one of the biggest race here in the UAE from Abu Dhabi to Al Ain, which is around 150 kilometers and 160 kilometers. And right now, we're gonna go there to have a short ride, and then we will wait for the racers, for the finishers. So i-interview natin yung mga kapwa Pilipino natin, which is nandun yung mga pro cyclists from the Philippines, just like Aidan Mendoza, and then Melvin Corpus from Excellent Noodles, and John Ray Bukat, yan yung mga ano natin, pro cyclists natin from the Philippines. And now we're excited to witness on their experience on this race. Kaya let's go guys, let's go to the cycling track. And right now naka-live yung Grand Fondo na video, but we will give you some clips for viewing later on. Let's go.
Just then.
Let's go. Finish. Hi guys, so we're here in cycling track while waiting for the finishers of Grand Fondo. We are cycling for a while. And makita natin dito ang dami nang nag-aabang. Let's go guys. Ano mga nag-aabang? Hey! Hello! Itim na siya. Woo! And right now we're using our Ultra Human Ring Air. Let's see how it goes. And of course, shout out Team Spider for our helmet, Crankmaster for our bikes. Let's go.
Let's go.
So my Ayat is wearing the Grand Fondo Abu Dhabi jersey set, and napanalan ko yan last time na race, so fit siya sa kanya. And shout out to our helmet Spider. You can purchase on their store and online as well in the Philippines. So maganda yan guys, matibay, and nagagamit ko siya. Guys, we're on our almost 4 kilometers pa lang. Pero may bubudulin tayo guys. First time niya mag-ride. Tignan natin. Tutok ka! Tutok! Tutok ka sa akin! Sa likod! Huwag mo i-overlap yung ha? Yung gulong. Tutok mo lang. Go!
Meanwhile,
this is a challenging Grand Fondo race, and it is a 150-kilometer race that is the capital city of Abu Dhabi, going all the way to Al Ain city. Yun yung province namin guys. So Abu Dhabi is the center of UAE, and we can see it here, different cyclists and different international cyclists na din. And this is Chrysler Tadena na unang sumabak para ilayo yung ating peloton at mag-break away. And wala siyang kasama dito. But then later on, makikita natin kung ano may next move ni Chrysler Tadena. And sinubukan niya naman talagang lumayo sa peloton. And this is at 40 kilometers.
هذا الدراج الفلبيني هذا اسمه تادينا. نعم تادينا. هذا تادينا من مواليد 2000. دراج شاب ممتاز. تادينا يتقدم الآن في هذه اللحظات بهجوم قوي وسريع جدا من تادينا.
Do you know that Chrysler Tadena is a former rising sun and dating Team Army ng Philippines, pro cyclist siya sa Pilipinas, and he's 24 years old, currently working here in UAE, Al Ain, specifically Al Ain City, kaya alam niya din yung daan dito. So ito ang breakaway niya at 40 kilometers at dire-diretso po yan. And we can see it here, ang ganda ng peloton, and talagang buo yung kalsada. And this race is also supported especially by our government. And of course, kasama dito mga Abu Dhabi police na sumali and Dubai police. So we can see it here na paakyat pa lang yung araw guys. And this is just 45 minutes of the race. So this is our peloton, and still Chrysler Tadena as our head of the breakaway. Wala pa siyang kasama dito. And maraming ang suggestion yung mga Pilipino na what if magsama-sama na lang lahat ng mga Pilipino and pagtulungan nila yung para sa podium. Pero ayun nga, marami ding teams and maraming nirepresent ang mga teams na yon. Pero baka naman in the future, di ba? Magsama-sama din lahat ng mga Pinoy, malalakas na Pinoy, especially now na kasama din sa team ang mga dating pro cyclist ng Pilipinas. And of course, nandito na rin sina John Ray Bugat, Aidan Mendoza, Mikey Farre, and even si Mervin Corpus na napakalakas na from Excellent Noodles ay andito na rin. So we can see it here, clear ang daan and they are controlled also by the police na naka-convoy sa kanila. So still good kicking si Chrysler Tadena dito. And ayun, shout out Crankmaster of course for the sponsor. Hello Crankmasters, yan. This is where Chrysler works, Crankmasters, and we are representing this bike shop. So, ang dami pong sumali dito and kasama na din yung mga women category. Nakikipagsabayan na rin sila sa mga men's category. So, Grand Fondo race is one of the big race here in the UAE. And you can see it here, they're also using helicopter coverage. And makikita mo si Kabayan, naka Grand Fondo jersey set din siya. Alright, rock and roll. And we can see it here, maraming mga kabayan ang sumali. So, ito yung struggle ng pagkuha ng mga tubig. Pag masyadong mabilis, di ba? Hindi mo makuha, mag-grass yung water. Ayan, nakakuha din ng water si Chrysler. And dapat talaga may skills ka to get water during race. And kasama ni Chrysler ang isa sa member ng Abu Dhabi Cycling Team. They're also one of the biggest members din ng mga cyclists dito sa UAE. And kabilang na dyan si Wellan na isa ring Abu Dhabi cyclist. So, ayan guys, napakahirap nga naman i-maintain ang 2-man breakaway. Pero kayang-kaya yan, basta magtulungan. And makikita nyo na marami ding humahabol sa kanilang breakaway. Maganda sana to pag talagang marami sila as a group and then they would maintain it throughout the breakaway at mailayo sila sa peloton. But here, mukhang pagod na si Chrysler kasi nga kanina pa siya nag-breakaway. I mean, kanina pa yung kanyang atake dito. So, mahirap din to kasi may ahon, pabukol-bukol yung ahon. And makikita mo ang Shabab Al-Ali, yung naka-yellow na helmet. Ayan, yung mga malalakas din yung mga yan. Dubai Police green jersey and some other cyclists here. They're also trying to chase yung ating 2-man breakaway. Pinagtutulungan nila ito. And napaka-gandang karera kasi umaahon and then lusong and then habulan. So, astig, diba?
في الأمام مثل ما بنلاحظ الحين هذا مانسيبو هو اللي بيقود
So, ito na ang real 2-man breakaway. Dito pa lang parang tapos na ang laban, guys. Kasi dalawang Shabab Al-Ali, which is malalakas. Ex-pro yung isa dyan, si Grega Bolli. Siya yung nag-champion din last year. And now, he is bringing back the title again. And our first placer is Grega Bolli. He is from Shabab Al-Ali, which is a strong team dito sa UAE. So, if you all know, Grega Bolli is a Slovenian professional road bicycle cyclist who also rode UCI World Team Bahrain. So, siya ay ex-pro ng Team Bahrain before. So, marami pa rin ex-pro na sumali and pro cyclist na sumali dito sa Grand Fondo. And makikita natin dito sa rematehan ng peloton race ang naka-orange na jersey ang LCW, which is Aidan James Mendoza, ang ating sprinter ng Go for Gold, is also sprinting for the 13th place of the Grand Fondo race this year. He's also placed 15th last year and now he's 13th. So, paakyat na ng paakyat. So, great job pa rin. Dahil marami pa rin Filipino ang naka-podium spot and gladly din na strong finish din yung mga cyclists natin. Though may mga nag-crash din sa kalagitnaan ng race, pero okay naman ang overall result.
Sa dahil yung pagpasok ng dahil yung pagpasok ng dahil umarap sila pero
hello ha? Ito? Naka?
yung naglalakad papunta doon
Ano masabi mo? Good? Safe? Strong finish! Chrysler! Mikey! Yes! Nagkit-gitan, no? Well, good job. Muntikan na, no? Ang sikip kasi nung ng finish line nyo. Good job.
medyo medyo nag-helicopter ko tatay, di last 20, yung bago rumor.
This is the finish line.
Ako na. Sa Pangawati pumayat ka.
Pampanga. Oh, Marco. God. Sa kuya.
Hindi ako makakain, hindi ko makain yung mga
Mervin Corpus.
Kaya pa.
Kamusta? Kamusta ang ano, Ray?
magtatrabaho eh.
Pero
Pinapakain ko.
Kamusta po?
Dami sa semplang.
Dami kayo sa semplang? Ah, git-gitan no? Nako. Ito, number 13. Okay naman. Last year 15, kamusta? Kamusta ang ano, sprint?
Nakabangon ako si Kuya Aaron, nakatayo sa kanya.
Magulo? Masikip, no? Kaya ka balik ng Pinas? Dito muna. Bago magkatapusan. Thank you. John Ray, kamusta?
Nakinanap yung bike ko. Dito pala napunta.
Good job. Nagsimplang ka din? Ah, sa last, no?
Ito mo sila o pinili.
Good job, good job. Hello po. Hi, Pro Cab International. Yan yung manager nila. Hello. So this is Pro Cup LCW Sports Director. Sir Ilian, siya yung may pakana ng pagpunta ng mga pro rider from the Philippines dito. Sir Mercy. Hindi pangalawa.
Dito ata interview niyo kung hindi daw pangalawa una sa kategory niya.
Sayang, no? Eman? Si Eman? Si Eman? Ah, si Tatay. Lakas. Congrats, Tay. Ah, talagang ba? Lakas, ah. Hi, hello! When? Hi, sir! Awit ka mo nga, awit! Hey, Sir Ryan! Tangiling! Yes! Astig, dito lang pala magkikita-kita. Hi, sir! Ano?
Hindi po na maamin kay Ilocano. Yun na. Shout out.
Supay man.
Shout out naman na kalang hair.
Ha? Shout out! Uy, nakaano to? Sana nakaano ka, no? Yung number mo. Hi guys, so we are now using our Ultra Human Ring Air, which is I've been using it for almost 6 months now, and it's been amazing. And right now we have this Black Friday discount that will be held on November 21st until December 2, which is 20% discount. You can use my discount code GAY20 for 20% discount for our Ring Air. Yeah, it's a discounted price, so it's a nice smart ring that you can use for your daily activities, especially if you're doing sports, and also it can track your sleep quality. So come on now guys, it's a very good price now, and this is the biggest discount ever, or it's a Black Friday sale. So 20% discount for our Ring Air. Link on my subscription box below if you want to purchase one of this, and use my link GAY20. Alright, let's go and watch this. Crankmaster Champion! Woo! Nagaduda gayam niya. Group team, siya ba pala? This is how cycling works here in UAE.
Congratulations on the first place in the
Filipino times.
Thank you so much. Third place, ladies and gentlemen, we have Ryan Tabolagi. Mr. Aid Al-Ahbabi will be presenting the medal for the third place in this category. Moving on to the second place, we have Mike Rice. Mike will be receiving his medal from Mr. Aid Al-Ahbabi. And moving on to the first place in this category, we have Francisco Manicbo. The bronze medal.
Hi mga Karoda! So we're done with our ride for today and we witnessed yung mga nanalo sa Grand Fondo, which is one of the highlights of the race here in the UAE, which composed of different international cyclists. So syempre, panalo pa rin yung international cyclists natin that came from Slovenia, si Greg Abole, which is the first. So sobrang dami ng ng premyo dito, kagaya ng mga per age category, like first place ka, kukuha ka ng 10,000 dirhams, like 150,000 pesos yun sa Pilipinas. So, napakalaki nga naman ng premyo dito. So, yun, enjoyable. Congrats sa mga nanalo. And Filipino pride pa rin tayo sa mga masters category and veterans category. And especially, overall din, na naka-13, si Aiden James Mendoza. And now, it's amazing and worth it na makita silang manood. And yes guys, I'm still using my Ultra Human Ring Air, which is exclusively sale at now, Black Friday sale, 20% off. If you want to purchase one, you can link on my description box below. So I'm using this even if I'm sleeping, kasi nga nakikita niya yung sleep quality ko. Kanina ang oras na ng tulog is 5 hours kasi late na kami natulog because of the party last night and celebration. So ayun guys, so I'm still using it, and good thing din, na-track niya din yung cycle ko, yung pag-cycle namin, pag-bride namin kanina. And most especially naman as a woman, it also tracks yung menstruational period namin every month. So yeah, get yours, and you can link on my description box below and use Gay20 for 20% discount for using my discount code for this Black Friday sale until November 31st till December 2. So yon guys, and we're going home na, and I hope you're enjoying my vlog, and thank you sa mga nanood today, and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell button for more updates na videos ko. God bless. Bye bye.
Bye.